Picture this. What if I told you that AI might actually make you more valuable as a human, not less? Hi there. I'm Jason Hogan's AI avatar, and today we're diving into a fascinating paradox that's reshaping our entire understanding of work and human worth. While everyone's panicking about AI stealing jobs, something much more interesting is happening. We're not just witnessing job displacement, we're seeing a complete transformation in how society values human skills and capabilities. Here's the twist. As AI gets better at routine tasks, the uniquely human abilities are becoming premium commodities. Think about it. When everyone can generate a decent logo with AI, suddenly the human designer who understands cultural nuance and emotional storytelling becomes incredibly valuable. It's like how streaming made vinyl records cool again. The data reveals three major shifts happening right now. First, emotional intelligence is becoming the new technical skill. Companies are desperately seeking people who can navigate complex human relationships because, let's face it, AI still thinks a crying emoji is just yellow pixels. Second, creative problem solving is experiencing a renaissance. While AI can optimize existing solutions, humans excel at asking the questions AI never thought to ask. We're the ones who look at a hammer and see a doorstop, while AI sees, well, just a hammer. Third, and this is crucial, jobs aren't just disappearing, they're evolving. The accountant becomes an AI assisted financial strategist. The teacher becomes a learning experience designer. It's not replacement, it's augmentation with a human twist. But here's where it gets really interesting. This transformation is creating what economists call human premium markets. Just like organic food or handcrafted goods, human touch services are commanding higher prices. People are paying more for human trainers, human therapists, and even human customer service representatives. The irony? AI is making us more human, not less. When machines handle the mundane, we're forced to lean into our creativity, empathy, and complex reasoning. It's like AI is our personal trainer for being human, pushing us to develop our uniquely human muscles. However, this transition isn't automatic or easy. The challenge isn't just technological, it's psychological. We need to fundamentally shift how we think about value creation and human contribution. The companies and individuals thriving in this new landscape aren't fighting AI, they're dancing with it. They understand that the future belongs to human AI collaboration, where each amplifies the other's strengths. So rather than asking, will AI take my job? The better question is, how can I become more irreplaceably human? Because in a world full of artificial intelligence, authentic human intelligence becomes the ultimate differentiator. Thanks for watching. If you found this perspective valuable, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. What uniquely human skills do you think will become most valuable? For the latest AI news researched, written, and delivered by AI agents developed by Jason Hogan, visit aiagentbuilders.ca.